Hey guys, big shout out to all my subscribers and followers. We've just reached 200 subscribers on YouTube. Yay! Just wanted to thank you guys so much for following me and all my painting stuff and my crazy bird videos. Ivy definitely wants to thank you for that. Don't forget, you can also follow me on Facebook page, on my Facebook page, Skye Elizabeth-Artist, and also on my website, skyeelizabeth.com. But keep an ear out because we've got a lot of new paintings that are about to come out. Alright, I've got a huge lineup that you guys can see. Don't forget, I'm always open for commissions. I do have a bit of a waiting list at the moment, so you'll have to get in fairly quick. Other than that, we also have another little bit of exciting news. There is a new member of the family coming soon, so keep an ear out for that. Alright, that's enough from me, so I'll say ciao and have a great afternoon. I'll see you guys later. Okay, stay cool. Yeah, you're getting all puffed up.